Doubts on my mind. Doubts on my mind.
Ain't no money in these jeans, Sally Mae stealing dreams. Option turned to selling Escobar to some fiends. You talking GPA, a nigga wanted any means. I'm talking getting poppin' with progress. Seats in Congress, ain't no contest, I'm too honest. We soon wiped out from violence, it's a cycle, nigga. Really think I'm graduating with honors? Tell me how my bachelor's got more weight than anchors. Asking teachers questions like them niggas holding all the answers. I don't need no guidance, really think a bird use a compass every time it's flying. Nah, nigga, it just no direction. Being cross these foreign intersections. Disparity in minorities is morbidly prevalent. Evidence concrete, like the facts with some sediments. Settlements made in Brooklyn, got foreigners in Crown Fried with marijuana cooking. Things ain't the same. Doubts on my brain, it pours when it rains. Project builders spend some change. I can feel the evil, shoulders feeble. Where the good in people living opposite illegal. Think my soul a haystack, hard a needle. Suicide is do or die. You and I hanging over kitchen sinks on the brink. Decisions on the conscience. It's too hard to count the cents like there's some dollars. I'm a millionaire, throwing lust, hate, envy in the air. Lord knows I'm trying to conquer mine froze. Universe going bonkers, acting like I like you. Please award me with some Oscars. I tell you this heart right here, righteous. Blood speeding to my mind, similar to nitrous. Pussy got me thinking if I get up in that pink and plant my seed, that it'll bloom into a willow like the last name was Pinkett. Ah shit, mine done slipped. Ain't feel this way since the house foreclosed on East 40th. Think I'm a copper gripper, ride the fucking president.
Doubts on my mind, a little bit of time and a nigga just wanna fly away, fly away. So I spread these wings, I wash these sins and face the pain. If doubts on my mind, a little bit of time and a nigga just wanna fly away, fly away. So I spread these wings, I wash these sins and face the pain.
No, I'm selfish, I want money, I want fame. Why you jealous? Freedom, know my name, but never call it overzealous. Is my attitude, I'm at an altitude, I up the ante, getting antsy. Ain't supposed to see 21 according to the news. No Oscar winning, no Grammy winning, no Emmy winning. Ghetto, all I know, I pack your cotton on the boat. Steal me off the coast, I swear I'm haunted by the ghosts of slaves. But them J's only gon' be on shelves for a day. Shit pathetic, I don't need your sympathetic gestures. Don't get the message, fucking hopeless, sunny focus. Sure Illuminati lurking, but I'm working. Are you rocking with me if career do like Whitney? I think I need that mink, I think I need to sink these sorrows in a bottle of toxins. Fucking option, non-existence, you believe in me? You can see potential in these brown eyes, I mean promethazine in these veins, screaming in the Lord's name. Black man lifespan, similar to Great Dane, I'm going fucking insane. Backtracking everything that I've been lacking, get it bracking, know what's cracking, everybody acting, chasing quick, intimate with innocence, it's imminent. Make sure that my coffin Tempur-Pedic, lyrics better eat it. I don't know you Jackson, fucking beat it. Everybody pointing fingers at the badges, but black on black murder turning into habits. Rallies preaching that is tragic. Hands up, don't shoot, can't breathe, we lose every step we take. So I think it's about time we spread our wings. Should I graduate? Job market, tell me how much I'ma make. How much pork fried rice can I buy? I'ma ride till I die, telling me I can't rap, cause I got a mommy and a daddy. I need struggle to spit, I can't live happy. Why is single mama coming? Why is single mama coming? Papa, why the fuck you running, huh?
Doubts on my mind. Doubts on